You have to like really lay you down as you walk up here.
Okay?
Okay.
Yo guys, we have some very good news. Benedicta has been to the doctor. She has got her results back. The blood clot is now gone. For now. It's absolutely amazing. This has been a tough time and it's gone for now. It might come back, is that right?
Yeah, it can come back.
It can come back.
Yeah.
But for now, she's free from the blood clot and...
That means riding.
Video. I think I should be able to roll down from here. Let's do it. Truth is, I've been there before with Benedicta, and as we both have some time off today, I thought, why not go back here with Benedicta again? You know, for a throwback session.
Yeah.
Yo, the climbing was really good. Yo, are you ready to see how freaking steep this thing is?
Oh my. Thank God. How are we gonna get down?
I don't know, sliding your ass?
On concrete.
Wanna go down the water slide?
Into the toilet water? No, thank you.
You got a better idea? Right, I have an idea. I wanna ride down. Yeah. Crazy, right?
Okay.
You can, if you walk up again, sounds stupid, we just went down. Go up here, run down there, and get the angle.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, it's all up to you now. Do you regret?
Maybe. You ready?
Ready?
Oh my God. You ready?
Ready?
Oh! What a way to open the video! God! That was fast.
You're the king of the world.
A funny thing, when I went here the first time, I was barely riding down here on a normal BMX because it was so freaking steep, and now I did it on a freaking rocker mini bike. www.rockerbmx.com if you want to buy one. Hell yeah, that was insane. That was actually... I'm speechless actually. Yeah, now it's your turn. Go up and ride down. You would probably die. Yes, by the way, last time I was here, I looked into this cave, but I didn't go in there because it looked sketcy. But
because you were still scared.
You sure? Oh, listen to this. Huh? Can you hear it?
Maybe someone will answer you. Do you think someone lives there?
I can tell you right now, but it is clutching my arm really hard now. She's scared. She's definitely scared.
Spider webs everywhere.
Come on, let's go in.
God.
Come on.
I regret this.
You regret?
Yeah.
Wonder if it's geckos here. Oh my God, is that beehives? Should we go further in?
A little bit further. Oh my god.
Come on, further.
No!
You regret?
I regret.
Told you.
You're such an ass.
Yo, let's ride this. Let's ride this flyout thing. I think it's nice riding with a rocker. Benita coming in! Benita coming in!
Yeah.
What will she do? Absolutely nothing. Let me get that.
Thank you.
Ready?
Ready? Oh, yeah!
Sick, right?
That was sick.
I just noticed it when I rolled down the hill the first time. There's a nice transition at the bottom, then you hit like the steep wall, and it just like just sends you perfectly up.
Right up.
Toboggan?
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Whip?
Whip. Yeah.
Oh. Sketchy.
Bruh.
Bruh. Oh. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, did you see how I caught it? The cranks were like spinning, so I landed like this.
Really?
Yeah.
So, did you do a crank?
I think so.
Whip?
Close to it, yeah. Let's continue.
Yeah. Woo!
Oh god. Is it a new trick alert?
New trick alert!
Oh, will I get it? Can I?
You can. You can.
Oh.
Ah.
Okay. Oh!
Oh.
My god!
Oh.
I almost had it!
G. That was so close!
Oh, I can't believe I almost pulled that and I didn't pull it. Ugh. I've never even done that on a normal bike.
Really?
Well, to be honest, I think it would be easy. It's easier on this one. Come on, let's get it. Down last time?
I also do.
We're now entering the unknown. Or you know what? It's actually quite known because this is my third time here. Benedicta second. You remember?
I do. That was one of the coolest trips we ever had.
That is true. And we've been on some pretty cool trips in our life. You wanna go first?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay.
Oh.
Come on. Go on. Woo! Yeah, boy. I think I'll just walk with the bike this time instead of throwing it. over here without throwing the bike or getting wet. Alright, now it's only the fun part left. Oh yes, the beautiful fish hook. Probably first person to ride here on a rocker. When? You right? Oh no! No!
What is this?
It's been raining so much. It's filled with water and it blocks the quarter pipe. And there's even some new graffiti here.
Do you want to see something really cool?
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah?
Did you remember last time we were here?
Oh my god, yes!
When I did this one?
Oh yes!
It says all of me, right?
I totally forgot that. Can you see it? Wait a minute. O-L-A.
And
that's true.
E-N-E-D-E-C-T. And there's us.
Oh my god. I so forgot that. My name.
How romantic!
But yeah, this kind of ruins our plans.
What about the hill bump?
True. Kind of the reason we went here today is because I wanted to ride this quarter pipe on the rocker, but as this water is blocking the entrance, I don't think we'll be able to ride here. Alright, let's check out the hill bump then. It's crazy how freaking steep that thing looks from here. Do you know what I'm saying? It's crazy, isn't it?
So crazy.
It was just totally unbelievable last time I went down there. It's just... let's do it on the rocker!
Yeah.
I mean, we have nothing else to do here. Oh, Benedict can do some gymnastics for us. Woo! Woo!
Yeah!
You stoked?
Yeah.
I am stoked. I do believe this rocker has a maximum speed like when you go down here, because with your small wheels they don't spin like even when you ride down a hill. You will go faster, but at one point you will like stop increasing your speed because of how small the wheels is. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think so.
She doesn't really understand this stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the steep part.
You have to like really lay it down as you walk up here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Crazy. Oh my god, look at this. This is stuff you have to watch out for when you ride on the rocker.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready.
Oh my god. How should I stop?
I don't know, with your feet, I guess.
Okay?
Okay. Oh my, for real. You can be a racer car, like for real.
I need a hug. Oh my freaking god!
I've never seen anyone go that fast on the bike ever. You should hear the sounds. It was
that was crazy, wasn't it? Oh my freaking god! I was like, don't start braking before I pass you. And I was like, as soon as I passed you, I was like, oh my god.
You barely could stop.
Wow!
That was crazy. Are you happy?
We can officially say mission completed. And guys, don't forget, if you want to buy a rocker and have fun, go to www.rockerbmx.com and purchase one right now. And go hit that subscribe button right now.